Hello and welcome to Willand PE. We're back, we're a little bit older and a lot colder than last year. I'm here with Jack and we're here to help you get fit during the lockdown number 3. Just to remind you, we've got 3 sessions a week. Number 1 will be movement, so we'll do lots of movement stuff. Number 2 will be some physical fitness, so we'll try and get you a little bit fitter. And number 3 will be skills, so we'll try and show you some skills that can be applicable to sports and games. Okay, so today is movement, because we're lesson 1 of week 1, and we're going to do hopscotch. So Jack, if you just go through there. It's an old game. You won't be able to see this on the camera very well, but go on then. So there we go. So hopscotch, we've got the numbers down 1 to 10. I did this with a piece of chalk. You can use normal playground chalk, or you can even use a stone on tarmac. All right, so just need a tarmac area. You can do it on the pavement outside your house. So I'll show you some different levels, starting off with the easier ones to help you progress and going up to some more advanced games that will suit the likes of Jack and even secondary school. So Jack, the first thing I want you to do is hop through on, which is your better leg for hopping? Left or right? Right, so Jack's going to just hop on the squares 1, 2 and 3 with his right leg. Go. 2 feet there. Oh, you made an error there. You did left foot on 6. Let's try that again. Okay. So what we're trying to get is see whether some children won't be able to do this. Yeah. Okay. So just go straight through. Now, some children, like the younger ones, reception year 1, won't be able to do that. With the squares, it'll be too much of control. So just try hopping left leg and right leg forward. So younger children, just do this. You can go beside the squares. Okay, and then same with the right. So just walking back at the moment. Same with the right. And that's enough for some children. Now, we're all very keen to get our math sorted out. So Jack, the next time you're going to do with your weaker leg, or your less good leg, the left leg, you're going to count the numbers as you go. Okay? Here we go. Did you see again? He went his right leg. You're not allowed to use your right leg on this one, on the hop. So just all the... Oh, I think on number 6, you go into your right leg every time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's hard, isn't it? Let's try one more. He's trying to go through fast, you see, but we want to be accurate. And count out loud. There we go, good. So that's level 2, is going through on your less good leg. Now, level 3, I'll demonstrate, okay, is, I'll do, I don't know which is my better leg, but I'll do this on my left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, turn. Now try and count down backwards whilst hopping. Which leg did I hop with then? Left. Yep, okay, here we go. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, through. Made it. Try that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, and you've got to stay in the 10 and do a turn. I can't hear any counted. So try that again, and remember you get to 10, well, we've got to count out loud, not in your head, right? So remember people can't hear you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stay in the box and turn. Hold on, we haven't got that right yet again. When we get to the end, okay, when we get to the end, 9, 10, stay in the box, turn. Okay, so don't rush, just try and get it accurately.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Not sure that's correct. I'll show you again. All right, so be patient. They're trying to get through to the end. Okay, Jack, watch. Okay, so now I'll go my other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off. Yeah, it's number 6 number 6 is your unlucky number, because every time you go to number 6 you change legs. We're staying on the same leg the whole way through now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. And on the way down.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Got it. Okay. So you have to really concentrate on what you're doing, just on this simple skill. Right. Then you would do it on your weaker leg, but we sort of covered that now. Then you can make it into a game once they've got that. So there's enough work to there. So, as you know, we are low tech here. I've got a piece of plastic I found and a small stone that I found. Nothing expensive here, you don't need any special kit. So, what we try and then, you can do two ways. Which one do you want to be, stone or plastic? Stone. All right, so I'm going to throw the stone into number 1. I made that. And this time you have to hop over it. Okay, so hop over it on the way up. Doesn't matter about the feet now. Okay. And then bend, pick up on the way back. Okay, so you do number 1. Yep. So, he's going so fast, he's making an error. Stay in the box. You've got to stay in the boxes. All right, you only went out at the end. Right, here we go. Number 2's next. So, hop on number 1, hop over number 2. Bend down to pick up, then you hop into it, there, like that. So number 2. You're out the box. Might give him a second chance. Not in the box. Might even give him a third chance. Okay? Okay, so then we progress to number 3. But if I'm out of that one, so then I go to the back of the queue and Jack goes. Because I'm being strict myself. So get it in number 3. There you go, and then you go. So Jack's trying to race through again, like he does, but I'm going to try and get it into number 3. So he can go into 4 now, and I'm still in 3. Just. Oh no! There. Pick up, because I can pick up because I'm in 2 feet for number 3. Okay, now you're on number 4, aren't you? Yeah. Hold on, what should I have been, 3 or 2? I think I made an error here. So Jack's out, so then he goes to the back of the queue.
You should have been 3.
I think I should have been 2 or 3 here, but you get the idea. I'll do 3 this time. I think I'm cheating. Right, but I'll go to 4. I'll do 4. I'm out. So Jack's goes on. Anyway, Mike's gone now. Jack's in 4, so he's going to go ahead of me now. Go on, Jack.
What? Why do that?
Hold on.
Because it's in one of the double squares.
Yeah.
Did you just go like this? And then just go round
Yes, go round it then. Yes, well done. Okay, good question. Anyway, as you can see, once again, once Jack starts concentrating, he's... Oh, I don't know. You put your feet down there, so you have to do that one again. Yeah. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. So, start to get competitive here, and the skill starts breaking down. So hopscotch. Right, Jack, come back here now in shot, please. So there's the basics of hopscotch, and you can see there's lots of variation there. Now, why is this important? Now, you can think. When you go to secondary school, you'll start being asked to do long jump. So long jump is run, take off 1 foot, and land on 2. And this is what we're doing here, really. You're working from practicing and landing and moving from 1 foot to 2 feet. So then the other thing you can do is to add a bit of a challenge once you've got this, is to do 3 steps and then a takeoff. So Jack, just go beside the hopscotch, please. Go 1, 2, 3, take off, land. Yeah, and then you can gradually build that up to a bit of a further distance. Okay. So the safety of going up the hill here, it's slightly safer because it's less likely. And obviously with the snow and the ice, you've got to be careful. But only do these big distances once you can master this, okay? Then see if you can do a bigger one. So 1, 2, 3. And a safe landing like that. So you can then try and challenge to go over a line. So I'll go this way, 1, 2, 3. And as you notice, you'll find out which is your better takeoff leg, and I seem to want to go off my left one all the time. Okay, so you can then start adding distance because that helps you get ready for long jump. Then the final thing we're going to say is a top tip today. Jack, I want you to jump up as high as you can 6 times. That was 6 for each one though, so a bit different. Those were 6 continuous. Try each one and restart again. So 6. Higher. Okay, there's something called bone mineral density to get healthy bones. And as you're young and growing, we want to get those bones. And 6 jumps a day as high as you can, and landing safely is enough to help your bones get stronger. So it's really important, if everybody's sat around in the house at the moment, that if all else you can do, and these are the teenagers, your older brothers and sisters at home, get them jumping up 6 times a day, and it'll help them stop in having bones like astronauts, getting weak under gravity. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time.